if we bring up our orientation again, I've added a little part here where we ran the app locally and included before. That's important just to make sure that the app does work locally and for app development. It's a generally best practice to do that. The next few steps are a bit more involved. So what I've done here is added another slide just to see the expectations from this next step, basically where we push this app with Lambda, AWS Lambda to cloud. So in terms of dependencies, well, an AWS account is kind of given. If you're still on free tier, that's fine. If not, the Lambda function that is invoked here is relatively low cost. That said, I don't fully trust any of the CSPs. They go to pains to sort of disguise all of the hidden costs in their models. So do, monitor your resources once they're deployed. If you're only doing some testing, make sure you delete the resources afterwards to avoid running up costs. But in theory, through the free tier, the whole all of this demo is free. The other dependencies in terms of the serverless part, what's going to happen here is that GitHub repo that we've cloned has the YAML file that we've edited with the new name of the app. That's going to provision effectively a serverless template's going to provision for us infrastructure as code in the form of AWS CloudFormation. That's going to provision itself all of the resources that we need, including an S3 bucket, a Lambda function, and the IAM credentials, which is the last part where, or rather the policies and roles, the last part we'll look at. That should be evident in your console at the end of the process. So I'll come back to this, but what you're looking for is something similar to this here. So you should see, if you go to log into AWS, or you can see your recent resources there. In my case, I don't have the Lambda function yet. We're going to do that now, but these should all pop up because that's what the serverless template is doing it via a CloudFormation templates, provisioning those resources.